Dealing with imposter syndrome. You know that feeling you get when you don't feel worthy? That you don't think you should be there? That someone's going to tap you on the shoulder and say, "You don't know what you're talking about, do you? You're just a fake." Maybe you just want to make up for what you think is a lack of intelligence. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? How do you not get this? You shouldn't be here. Are you stupid? The imposter syndrome has 5 types. That's right. So it's not just people who don't feel worthy or getting their shoulder tapped saying you don't know what you're talking about. There's actually 5 different ones. Oh, everything needs to be... I need to tidy up. I need to clean. I need to make sure everything... Oh, no, that can't be out of place. No. Oh, that doesn't go there. No, cry. Because I can't submit that. That's just not... No, I can't do that presentation. It's just not perfect yet. That's known as the perfectionist. Everything already? No. You don't need to tell me how to do things. I've got this. I know this. No. Don't need to tell me. I don't need instruction. No. I never get it wrong. That's known as the soloist. Gotta read this book. I gotta read this. Oh no, I need to read that book. I also need to watch that video. I've got to download that ebook. I've got to listen to that audio book. I've got to really master and make sure I know every single aspect about this topic. That's known as the expert. Then there's those who continuously learn more and more skills. More and more skills because they believe the more skillful they are, the quicker they'll be able to do things, the less people will notice that they don't quite get it. That's known as the natural genius. And then there is the superhero one. And that's the one where they feel that success only exists if you're the absolute best at every single thing that you do. Where it comes from, there's a variety of reasons why it happened. I'm not going to dive into in this video, but let's talk about what you can do about it. First things first, talk to a friend. By doing that, you can also just feel less overwhelmed, less disempowered and more empowered. So that's a really good thing. Talking to a friend, talking to a professional, talking to a coach or a mentor that specializes in imposter syndrome. Don't be afraid to challenge your doubts. Don't be afraid to challenge your thoughts. And do not compare yourself to other people. There's a great saying, compare to despair, right? So what you want you to do is own who you are, love who you are, you're perfectly imperfect, and with the right guidance, with the right support, you don't need to compare yourself to anyone but who you were yesterday.